accomplished by...
Other memory wasn't working, so I bought another one. This
You bought
is
2 of them? Oh.
Crucial 8GB Ddr3. Stop. Ddr3 6000 CL11. I wonder if this one works.
Cup.
This is dirty.
Cup.
Wait.
Cup.
Here. And this is attempt number 2. How come?
I don't know. What did you do though?
Maybe another screw.
No, I think you broke it, guys.
This part come out. Oh, no more dust.
Dust. You know,
Yeah.
No, this comes on first.
And this is Dell inspiron 3650. And it has 8GB on board. And I want to have 16.
Shit, we're missing one.
No.
Yes.
Just don't touch the things.
Don't touch the things. This girl's trying to tell me how to put it in RAM. Tell me how to put it in RAM. I'll bring it back on your arm. I want to put it in here.
Again? I think it will work.
Okay. But I'm going to try it without put it all together. I don't want to, but I will. You need some screws now. You have any screws for this? They're $20 cheaper too. They were nice.
Good.
I know that took me a long time. I'm sorry, but it's kind of hard to do.
I know. Very hard to do. This is here.
Yeah, I know. I'm just thinking of looking at something.
Let's see if it show. Was 8 or 16.
How much did you pay for that?
For what?
Do you remember?
25. But it's 16.
Damn!